2022 Transit Custom with a Solaris alarm system. We've also added remote start to this vehicle, so if we lock, the vehicle fires up, so you can warm it up in the winter. Say someone grabbed this key while it was running, see the vehicle's already on. They go to steal it. They've already got the key, they've got the vehicle started, they pop it into gear, reverse drive, whatever it may be, and the vehicle cuts out. For the customer to drive it, they can start the vehicle. Before they pop it in gear, they'll pop a unique code in. So we just have 3 presses down, receive a double flash from the light, and then we can drive away, pop it into gear, and the vehicle drives, doesn't cut out. This being a Solaris, calls your phone. If someone applies a force to the vehicle at the back or tries to break into it, like they have on this one, so if we just lock the vehicle, system's armed. This is where they tried it the other day. So they drilled a hole in the bodywork, used a crowbar to try and get the door open. The only reason they were unsuccessful is because the other van parked next to it already had a Solaris, and they attempted that one. So when they come out, obviously they run off. If someone was to attempt it now, crowbar the vehicle. It's going to go off. We're also going to get a phone call to our phone to tell us someone's attacked it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Solaris with a remote start on a 2022 Transit Custom. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.